Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Tax50. Today I'm going to be showing you how simple and straightforward it is to complete and submit your tax return to HMRC for the year ending 5th of April 2019. By using the Tax50 Automated Tax Return SA100, you can get this done in less than 10 minutes. Now, who is this automated tax return for? Well, it is basically for anyone who is self-employed and needs to submit their tax return to HMRC by the 31st of January, but doesn't have anything prepared or hasn't registered themselves for an online government gateway identifier. This automated tax return is also for anyone who doesn't have an accountant but may require the services of an accountant to help them with their taxation affairs. This Tax50 Automated Tax Return gives you the opportunity to avoid a late filing penalty, give yourself more time to get your taxation affairs in order, and get an accountant to proactively contact you and provide you with the help that you need to get your accounting and taxation affairs in order. So, let me take you through the Automated Tax Return SA100 and show you how simple and straightforward this process can be for you. Here is the Automated Tax Return SA100, and as you can see, it only asks for some basic information. This is the information required by HMRC to submit your tax return successfully and make sure you avoid a late filing penalty. So, let's begin. Title. This is your title. You can select the appropriate title from the drop-down options. I will be selecting Mr. First name. This is your first name. Please type your first name in the box. Middle names. This is any middle names you may have. Not everyone has a middle name, but if you do have a middle name, then please type it in the box. I do not have a middle name, so I will be leaving this box blank. Surname. This is your last name or surname. Please type your surname or last name into this box. Date of birth. This is the date you were born. It must be entered as date, month, year, and the year must be in 4 digits, such as 1983 for the year 1983. Gender. You can select the appropriate response from the drop-down options. NI number. This is your national insurance number. Please type your national insurance number in this box. UTR number. This is your unique tax reference number. You can find this on any correspondence you have received from HMRC. It is a 10-digit number. Please type your UTR number in this box. House name or number. This is the door number of your house or apartment. Please type your house number in this box. Street name. This is the name of the street where you live. Please type your street name in this box. Town or city. This is the name of the village, town or city in which you live. Please type your town or city name in this box. Postcode. This is your home postcode. Please type your postcode in this box. Home phone number. This is for those of you who still have a landline phone. You can provide this information if you would like, but it is not necessary. Mobile phone number. This is your mobile phone number. It is essential that you include this information, especially if you do not have a landline or home phone number. contact email address. It is essential you complete this information. This is the email address HMRC will use to confirm your automated tax return SA100 has been received by them and processed. Marital status. You can select the appropriate response from the drop-down options for your marital status. Are you registered blind? You can select the appropriate response from the drop-down options. Is your partner registered blind? Again, you can select the appropriate answer from the drop-down options. Estimated income. This is an estimate of the income you think you received during the year. There is a drop-down menu from where you can select the appropriate income figure for what you believe that you earned during year ending 5th of April 2019. At this stage, an accurate figure is not necessary, especially if you are just looking to avoid a late filing penalty. Please remember, this figure can always be amended later. I will be putting down more than £12,500. Is your trading name the same as your name? So, for example, if you are a sole trader and you do not have a business name or trading name, then you would select yes from the drop-down options. I will be selecting no. Is your trading address the same as your home address? If you trade from home, then you would select yes from the drop-down options. If you have a separate business premises from which you trade, then you would select no. I will be selecting no. Now, this next section only needs to be completed if you answered no to any of the two questions above about your trading name and business name. If you answered yes to both questions, then you can just skip this section and scroll to the bottom where you can agree to the terms and conditions and submit the automated tax return SA100 to HMRC after paying the £50 filing fee. As I, however, answered no to both questions, I will take you through this next very short section. Business name. This is your business or trading name. This should be different to your own personal name. Business address. This is your business or trading address. This should be different to your home address. Business postcode. This is your business or trading postcode. Business phone number. This is the phone number used for your business. Business email address. This is your formal business email address used so that Tax 50 can contact you in future. Business website address. If you have a website for your business, then you can confirm the website address here by typing it out in the box. Type of business or trading entity. This is the type of entity you trade through. For example, are you a sole trader? Do you trade through a limited company or a partnership? These are just some of the options that are available here. I will use sole trader for the purpose of this example. What you can do is select the option which best describes your circumstances. That's it. Now that all the questions have been answered, you can accept the terms and conditions, which can be reviewed by clicking this red link here next to the box. If you do not confirm your acceptance, then you can't submit the tax return to HMRC because the submit button won't work. Once you have ticked the box to accept the terms and conditions, you can select the Submit Tax Return button. This will prepare your automated tax return to be submitted to HMRC and take you to the secure PayPal checkout section, where you can securely make payment of the filing fee and receive confirmation that your tax return has been submitted to HMRC. Simple as that. Now, if you like the information contained within this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to Tax 50 and this channel so that you can receive notifications in future when Tax 50 uploads a new video. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope this video has been useful.